Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet Online Course. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful and easy pattern. For this pattern you need to have 3.0 millimeter hook and the yarn is the regular number 3 ply. So first of all we will start by making chains. For this pattern we need to make 6 chains. So basically this pattern is the multiple of 6 chains plus 2 in the last. So make 6 chains plus 6 plus 6 and at the last add 2 extra chains. So if you are making big project, make more chains. So I'm doing just a piece of pattern. Okay, so now for the first row, so skip 3 stitches, 3 chains and do a double crochet. So now next do double crochet in each and every stitch. So this is our first row of the pattern. I'm doing just simple double crochet in each and every stitch. So if you like you can do a single crochet in these stitches or half double crochet in it, but I like to do double crochet in each and every stitch. So complete this row. Okay, the row is completed. Now we will move to the next row. For the next row do 3 chains, flip your work and do a double crochet in the second stitch. So skip this one and in the second do a double crochet. So in the start we have 2 stitches here and in the last we will do again 2 stitches. So now do 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. Do 3 chains. Now skip 2 stitches and in the third stitch do a double crochet like this. Again 2 chains and a double crochet in the same stitch. So you will have a space like this. Again 3 chains, skip 2 stitches and a single crochet in the third stitch. So the one portion of pattern is completed. So again we will do the same 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, 1 double crochet in the third chain, here 2 chains and again a double crochet in the same stitch, 3 chains, skip 2 stitches and a single crochet in the third stitch. So this is the one portion of the pattern. So we have done here 2 portions. One portion is on through 6 stitches. So basically it's the 6 stitches pattern. So at the last I have added 2 stitches like in the start. So next row 3 chains, flip your work and double crochet over the double crochet or in the second stitch. So here do a double crochet. So in the start and in the end we will have 2 stitches. So in one portion we have 6 stitches, so we need to make balance on this row. So for this we will do 1 chain, 1 cluster, 1 chain and 1 cluster. So that will be the 6 stitches. So I have done 1 stitch, 1 cluster, again 1 stitch and 1 cluster of 2 double crochets like this, and again a 1 chain and a cluster. So here we have done 3 chains in total and 3 clusters in total. So in total we have 6 stitches over here. So our pattern is balanced. Now we will move to the next space. For the next again we will do 1 chain, 1 cluster like this, again 1 chain and 1 cluster of 2 double crochets. So if you like you can do it for three times. I am just doing it for 2 times for in 2 double crochets. So again a cluster over here, So this row will go like that: one chain, one cluster, one chain, and one cluster. So here you can see complete this row. Okay, I have completed the row, and at the end added again 2 stitches. So next row, 3 chains, again flip the work and a double crochet. So the ending and start will be the same. Okay, so done. Now we will do one chain, one double crochet, one chain, one double crochet over this cluster. So again one chain, and in this cluster again one chain and one double crochet over this cluster's top stitch. So again we have full stitches, about 6 stitches. So it's done. So the one part is done. Again next we will do a one chain and one double crochet over the cluster's top stitch. So continue doing this thing in this row. So this row will go like that: one chain and one double crochet. So complete this. This is really easy and fast. So I have completed this. As you can see, your work will look like that. At the end I have added again 2 stitches. So now we will repeat from the row number 1. For this I will do again 3 chains, flip the work, and a double crochet in the second stitch. So now I will do double crochet in each and every stitch. One double crochet in the space, one double crochet over this double crochet, again one double crochet in the space, and one double crochet over this stitch. So we will make double crochets in each and every stitch. We are repeating the row number 1 here, that is the double crochet in each and every stitch. So our pattern is done. So the pattern is about of 4 rows, 4 rows pattern, and we have done 5 rows here. 5 rows is actually the first row of the pattern. 1 2 3 and 4 rows are the basic of this pattern, and next we will repeat the same thing. So this is basically the 6 chains, 6 multiple of 6 stitches. So you can see the work. If you like, you can add more colors after every 4 rows. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe, and comment down.